So in this video we'll be going over a frequently asked question on plasma profiles, which is how do I turn on a separate output when my plasma comes on? So here in this case we will have our plasma come on at the start of the program and then it will turn off, and coincidentally we would like to add a separate output or maybe a series of outputs that will turn on once the program starts and will turn off once the program ends. And to do that, we first have to notice that we have these M71 start cutting and M74 stop cutting commands within our G code. And these commands are for plasma cutting. So for example, if you're using a milling profile, you will have the MO3 and MO5 commands instead. So if you'd like to implement something similar for those profiles, you will have to use their respective cutting start and cutting stop commands. But in our case, we're on plasma, so we'll have to use the M71 and M74. We can go into our settings, our configuration, our hardware PLC, locate the M71, and then add a line or maybe a series of lines if we'd like to turn on multiple outputs. But let's say in this case we'd like to simply turn on output 4. We type in port set 4, like that. And then we have to remember that we want to turn that off once the program completes. So we go into M74 and type in port clear 4. So here, after we completed that, we can press the Save All, Build All, and Send buttons and wait for the reflashing process to complete. After it has completed, we can navigate back to our main screen. We can check that the output is currently off. Press the Start button. The output has come on. And once the program completes, we expect this output 4 to be off. In that way, you can add one line that just turns on and off a single output, or perhaps you can add multiple lines which will turn multiple outputs on and off, which can prove very useful for your applications. Thank you for watching. Please visit our documentation at docs.pv-automation.com for more information.